Ever been to a zoo and suddenly felt like you stepped into a classroom in Africa? At Prague
Better to
Zoo,
go
I
to this
found
side.
something unexpected, a full replica of school from Cameroon. Not just the look, but the rare setup, wooden benches,
Yeah.
chalkboard, everything is designed to show how kids actually learn there. It's not about animals, it's about a perspective. 1 minute you are in Europe, the next you are sitting in a classroom from another
Go on
continent.
here.
Didn't expect that in a zoo, but that's
Yes,
what makes
yes.
it
I study in
unforgettable.
a room like this. When you have this, you just sit down with your books here, and you have to look straight to this board. And sometimes you will be like a blackboard cleaner. So when the professor finished writing, you just go to the board and just clean. And do you know how they used to make this board black? You don't know? Okay. We used to take battery like this battery, big ones, and we just remove this black. They have black stuff inside. You just put in a bowl, you put water, and you mix them. It will be black. Then later we will just malu it, and we just let me show you. So when you have this black stuff, you just used to paint this board, and it will be black because this is wood, and yeah, from battery, and you will get this black stuff. Yeah, so this is how we, yeah, this whole room is true. We used to sit in this, and even like in government school, we sat in this. Like my primary high school, I was sitting in this before I went to Vicious Senior High School. Yeah, so we sat in this. It's very popular in Ghana, and this my body. But this is from Cameroon, but they all have similar stuff like this. I think I had this before. I remember, probably. Yeah. You.
Okay, so let's go and see gorillas.
So let's go. I just gave you guys education. So this is real. Yeah. All this thing. I don't know why they took it from Africa and they brought it here. They make it like look like
People in Europe see.
to see.